Okay, here's the little one that I made. Let's light it up. So, let's turn it way down. Might need some more air. I might need to make some air holes in it, but yeah, I like this one. It's portable. It's not as heavy. It is kind of heavy, but you know, it's a lot more portable than. So that's the regular size one. Turn that off. Okay, here's the bigger one. It's a lot bigger, as you can see. Here's the other one for size comparison. See it? Okay. So take the cover off. Okay. There we go. This one's got a lot. There we go. This one works real good too. Wow. Nice. This one has a 12-inch pipe. It has like 17 or 18 holes. Let me see if I can show you down inside of it. There you go. See? It's got filled with lava rocks and stuff. But yeah, I'm happy with that. Wow. Nice. And then I just happen to have this. If you can see that, yeah. And you know, you can put something on there and cook it, like a coffee pot or a pan. I was going to put something on there and show you how big it is. This is a big flat rock. Let's see. That was a coffee pot right there, or a pan. But I'm pretty happy with it. Let me know what you think. Well, there you get a size comparison. It's the big one in the back with the lighter on top of it. But let's see. This the first one that I showed you guys, it's cooled off enough where I can put everything back, and I've got this regulator and the hose. It all fits inside there. It snaps shut. And there you go. That don't take very much space. This one, however, it's so hot. It's a little bit bigger. It's a little bit bigger, but it would be cool on those days when you have a big group of people, you know. You wanted a bigger size pit. Good stuff. Thank you. Thank you for watching.